You don't know? Can we go with you and help you decide? I'm really good with the GPS device.
No, he's not.
I think we'll wait till there's a used one.
I know we will wait until there's a Cuban.
We will wait till there's. So one of the advantages coming out on Industry Day or Media Day, whatever you want to call it, here at the Tampa Super Show is that there's no people other than media or industry people. The only reason we're here is because we have a YouTube channel and we're grateful for it. But we're inside a Newmar Super C, and they're a lot more reasonable than I thought they were. About $350,000 for what, about 40-something footer? But it's really nice, it's roomy, and if I did not have a Class A, the Tiffin Class A, we would definitely have a Super C. I really like the feel of it. Actually, it reminds me of driving the fire truck, or actually one of our rescue trucks. But it's really, really nice. So if we didn't have an Allegro bus, this is probably what I'd want. The Newmar New Air. I think it's 32 feet, but 32 feet of luxury. Let me check it out. Okay, so this one's only 34 foot?
I think it was 35.
But pretty nice and luxurious for a 35 footer. But this is what, Mary?
Wasted space.
It is. It's not like if you leave anything there. I mean, it's glass shelves. It's nice it has that pantry there, but
Yeah, but that would not be useful for me.
nice kitchen. Let me say, I love these windows in the kitchens. It really brightens things up a lot. Small bath with emergency exit door. And a bathroom, or bedroom.
$429, and then with the upgrades, it's $477.
I think we'll wait till there's a used one.
I know we will wait until there's a used one.
We will wait till there's a used one. There's two companies, Tiffin and Newmar, still family owned. That's why when we were searching for either Newmar or Tiffin. We came across the Tiffin that we have now, the Allegro bus. It's a 2014, but it meets our needs. It's just right. But two companies to look for if you're looking for a quality RV that backs up their product. That's Newmar and that's Tiffin. That's my own personal opinion.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's a lot better. It doesn't have that funky glass shelving. Good storage. Washer dryer.
Yep.
Cathedral ceilings. Nice pantry.
Nice model. I like this one. Full-size fridge.
And think about this. This is what, 30?
I think it's 33.
33 feet of luxury.
What's up, brother? How you been?
We want a hug. Sorry.
The best part of this place is meeting people that you know from the internet, and we finally get to meet them in person.
Oregon to.
Hey guys.
Sí. ¿Qué pasa, pasa?
Nice to meet you.
So Tiffin, our favorite RV maker, of course. I don't know if you all knew, but they make a fifth wheel, the Volano. I'll get the name right, but I think it's called the Volano. But they've been doing this for just a couple years, not long. But let me show you around.
Tiffin's other fifth wheel, the Beacon. Sorry, stuff in here. I don't have any lights on. XSP. 35 foot in length. Let's check it out. There you go, sir. Not at all.
Nah, I can't say it.
Where?
Oh, thank you, Larry. You picked
Wow, another big fancy cameraman.
I love him.
He's got a fuzzy thing on top.
It is fuzzy.
Why you got a fuzzy thing on top of your camera?
In case he trips and falls, it won't hit
Are
his
we on a
face.
video right now?
I am Billy Bob.
And I'm Loretta. And Juan, let me ask you a question. What type of model of RV are you most excited to see here today?
Tiffin.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, yes. I agree with you. And are you going to buy yourself one?
We own one.
You own one, aren't you? Fancy,
Wow.
fancy, smancy.
Okay, one more question. Where's the next destination?
We don't know.
You know.
don't know. Can we go with you and help you decide? I'm really good with a GPS device.
No, he's not.
You brought the DSLR. I left mine at home today.
Not just me.